Welcome back to New Car Update. Tonight, we're bringing you an exclusive look at the 2025 Bennett Matt's Thursday Night Light Show, where luxury meets innovation. This motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about experiencing comfort and class on the road. Get ready to explore the stunning living area, bedroom, and bathroom of this ultimate mobile home. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, high-end living area designed for relaxation and entertainment. Premium leather seating, reclining captain's chairs and a large L-shaped sofa ensure maximum comfort. LED ambient lighting, customizable lighting creates a cozy or vibrant atmosphere. 4K smart TV and surround sound, movie nights feel just like a home theater. Electric fireplace, adds warmth and style, perfect for cooler nights. Panoramic windows, expansive views bring the outside beauty into your space. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury suite on wheels. After a long drive or an exciting light show, the bedroom is your personal sanctuary. King-size memory foam bed, sleep in complete comfort with adjustable settings. Soft touch ceiling and LED mood lighting, creates a serene nighttime atmosphere. Custom storage spaces, plenty of room for clothes, accessories, and personal items. Integrated charging ports and smart controls, control lighting, temperature, and entertainment right from your bed. Whether you're on the road or parked for the night, this bedroom guarantees hotel-style luxury. Even on the road, the Bennett Matt's motorhome bathroom ensures a premium experience. Full-sized rainfall shower, spa-like relaxation anytime, anywhere. Marble vanity and touchscreen mirror, elegance and convenience combined. Heated floors and towel racks, because comfort should never be compromised. Eco-friendly smart toilet, modern features with water efficiency and auto-clean functions. This is not your standard RV bathroom, it's a 5-star experience on wheels. The 2025 Bennett Matt's Thursday Night Light Show motorhome is the ultimate combination of luxury and technology. From the lavish living area to the cozy bedroom and high-tech bathroom, every inch of this motorhome is built for comfort and style. What do you think of this luxury motorhome? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Car Update for more exclusive reviews of the best vehicles in 2025. See you in the next video.